Imagine this. Elon Musk wakes up tomorrow with nothing. No Tesla, no SpaceX, no X, no billions, no brand. Just a laptop and his mind. In 2026, the economy is tighter. AI has replaced millions of jobs. Capital is cautious. Attention is fragmented. So here's the real question. Could Elon Musk still become a millionaire or more if he had to start over today? Not by luck, not by hype, but by power. Because this story isn't about Elon Musk. It's about the system he uses to win. The first mistake most people make is chasing money. Elon Musk wouldn't, because money is downstream from power. If Musk restarted in 2026, the first thing he would rebuild is intellectual capital. Not certificates, not courses, not surface-level skills, but deep, uncomfortable mastery. He would study artificial intelligence systems, energy infrastructure, manufacturing economics, physics-level constraints. Why? Because in a world where information is free, judgment becomes priceless. Most people learn tools, Musk learns systems, and systems compound. Here's what separates Musk from everyone else. He doesn't think in trends, he doesn't think in narratives, he doesn't think in what's popular. He reduces everything to first principles. What does it cost, really? What's physically possible, actually? What assumptions are fake? In 2026, this is lethal because markets are loud, opinions are cheap, and most people are playing telephone with reality. Musk would ignore consensus and rebuild truth from the ground up. That's how power quietly forms. If Elon Musk wanted quick money, he could build another app, but he wouldn't because easy problems attract competition. Musk would target hard, slow, regulated, non-consensus problems, the kind most people avoid. In 2026, that looks like AI infrastructure bottlenecks, energy storage and grid failure, robotics replacing labor, manufacturing automation, space logistics, and satellite data. Why these? Because difficulty is a moat, and complexity scares amateurs. Big problems create asymmetrical rewards. That's where real money hides. Here's where most founders fail. They build pitch decks, they raise money, they sell ideas. Musk would do the opposite. He would build proof, a prototype, a demo, a working system, even if it's ugly, even if it's incomplete, because capital doesn't follow ideas. Capital follows clarity. In 2026, one functioning prototype is louder than 1,000 promises. Function first, story later. Here's the uncomfortable truth. In 2026, attention is money before money exists. Elon Musk understands this better than almost anyone alive. He wouldn't buy ads, he wouldn't run funnels, he would polarize. He would publish controversial theses, expose inefficiencies, challenge broken systems publicly, share progress in real time. Not to be liked, but to be impossible to ignore. Attention compresses time, trust compresses cost, and both attract power. Only after the system works, talent gathers, credibility is undeniable, does Musk raise capital. And when he does, it's not desperation money, it's leverage. He chooses investors who can't replace him, can't hurry him, can't control him, because the goal was never funding, the goal was control. This is where the story gets uncomfortable. Musk doesn't diversify early. He concentrates. He overcommits. He sleeps in factories. He risks reputation. He absorbs pain. Why? Because focus beats balance. Most people hedge their future. Musk stakes it. Here's why Musk still wins. He doesn't build things that are easy to copy. He builds things that are regulated, capital-intensive, and technically brutal. Because once complexity sets in, competition dies. This is where millions become inevitable. Elon Musk's real advantage isn't intelligence, it's pain tolerance, long time horizons, public failure, relentless pressure. Most people optimize for comfort. Musk optimizes for outcomes. power isn't owned, it's built. So, no, the question was never whether Elon Musk could do it again. The real question is why most people, even knowing this, will still play small. Because wealth isn't about luck, it's about which game you choose to play. Subscribe. This channel decodes money, power, and wealth, the parts they don't teach and don't want you to understand.